In the heart of your packaging operation, precision meets efficiency with the Labelet SPS-104 labeler. Crafted from stainless steel and anodized aluminum, the SPS-104 is not just durable, but remarkably portable. With its microprocessor control package, setup, changeover, and operation are as simple as a touch. Exceeding speeds of 100 containers per minute, the SPS-104 is the intelligent choice for small production runs, R&D projects, and new product rollouts. Pair it with small to medium round containers for optimal performance. Featuring a container production run counter, one-touch label set and positioning, and job memory for 5 projects, the SPS-104 streamlines your workflow. Customize your labeling experience with options like the hot stamp coder and small container adapter, and keep your operation mobile with the stainless steel cart. But what's a seamless operation without perfect transitions? Introducing the Accutek transfer turntables. Crafted with precision and versatility, our turntables ensure smooth transitions in your packaging line. With features like variable speed control and adjustable feet, our turntables are tailored to meet your specific needs.